Hello guys, I'm Walt. Now I'm going to introduce our 7 wattage foldable work light. It is equipped rechargeable battery inside, and the rechargeable by USB port in here. And it is using dimmer switch. Not only white COB LED, but also red COB LED for emergency purpose. By the way, we have 3 angle design. The first angle in here, in the bottom of the light. And second and third in here and here for multi-angle illumination. And we equip the strong magnet in the bottom, in the base, and the hook in here. The magnet is very strong. And also we equip the hook to make your hand free to do other things. It is very suitable to do the repair car and hiking and also camping. If you are interested in our 7 wattage foldable work light, please contact us. Thank you.